Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So as you can see, we have this project management sheet, but the values in the cells are really small, so we cannot really see them. So we can barely see them. So what you can do in this case is to zoom in your Google Sheets spreadsheet, and you have three options for this. So you can see the percent value here. This means that our current spreadsheet is zoomed out by 50%. So what we can do is increase this back to 100, and as you can see now the spreadsheet is more visible. You can change the values here, or you can also click on view here and select zoom and increase the zoom even more here. If you add a bigger value, you can see you cannot do that. If you find that the values are still small for your use case, what you can also do is go to your browser and increase the zoom in your web browser. So you can increase that very aggressively here, as you can see, but it might be not that useful. So you can zoom out, of course, in the web browser as well. So all in all, this is how to zoom in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.